Hey friends, if you encounter the error, please close other Riot games before signing out of Valorant. Then try the following solution. Right click on the Valorant icon, select open file location. Now you'll find an option named UX. Double click on UX. Scroll down and you'll find this option named Riot Client UX. Double click on it to open it. A window like this will open. If you have multiple games open here now, since I only have Valorant open, that's a different thing. But if you have League of Legends and other games open, then it will show here. Click on your profile icon, click on sign out, and once this is done, you can right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you will be able to access Valorant once again. I hope this was helpful. If yes, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. If not, let us know in the comment section and we will investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.